Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Interactive Brokers mobile platform, the easy way. First, download the IBKR mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Interactive Brokers account username and password. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard. It's your central hub for all trading activities and account information. We'll cover navigation next. Navigating the app is straightforward. Tap the menu icon, usually in the top left, to reveal options for account management, trading, and more. The search bar is your best friend for quickly finding any stock, option, or other asset you wish to trade. Don't forget to set up your personalized watch list. It helps you keep an eye on your favorite investments without constant searching.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can even ask it about stock prices or market news, making it a perfect companion for your trading journey. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Ready to place a trade? It's simpler than you think. First, select the asset you want to trade, either from your watch list or by using the search function. Next, tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type, perhaps a limit order for precise control. Input the quantity and your desired price, then carefully review all details before submitting your order. It's that easy. Keeping tabs on your investments is crucial. The portfolio summary gives you an overview of your current holdings, their performance, and overall account value. You can also review your order history to see all past and pending transactions, ensuring you're always informed. For proactive management, set up alerts for significant price changes or important news events related to your assets. Stay informed effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.